today's our topic is mirrors, types and parts. Now first, what are mirrors? Suppose that we have a part of transparent glass and we polish side. When we polish this surface, it's this surface becomes bright. This bright surface reflects the light that falls on it. So, mirrors. Mirrors are the parts of solid transparent glass polished on one surface and a bright other surface. So, mirrors. Now, types of mirrors. As you can see, this mirror has a plane reflecting surface. Plane reflecting surface. So, such type of mirrors are called plane mirrors. Suppose that we have a hollow sphere of transparent glass. Hollow sphere of transparent glass and cut this from edge like this. We cut this, we get this part, and if you polish this surface, it's this surface becomes bright or reflective. And if we cut from here and we get this part and polish this side, it's this surface becomes bright or reflecting. As you can see, these are the parts of this hollow sphere. This type of mirrors are called spherical mirrors. Spherical mirrors. What are mirrors? Mirrors are the parts of solid transparent glass polished on one surface, and a bright other surface. This surface is bright, are called mirrors. Now, types of mirrors. Mirrors are of two types. First, plane mirrors. Mirrors that have plane reflecting surface are called plane mirrors. Second, spherical mirrors. Mirrors that have curved reflecting surface. This surface is curved. Reflecting surface is curved. Spherical mirrors. And spherical mirrors are of two types. First, mirrors whose reflecting surface is curved inwards. Curved inwards are called concave mirrors, and convex mirrors. Spherical mirrors whose reflecting surface is curved outwards are called convex mirrors. Now, topic parts of mirrors. In other words, terms associated to mirrors. This is the surface which reflects the light, so called reflecting surface. And this point is the central point of reflecting surface. Central point of reflecting surface. The central point of reflecting surface of any mirror is called the pole of the mirror. First part is pole. Pole of the mirror. Now, it is the diameter of reflecting surface. Diameter of reflecting surface is called aperture of mirror and is denoted by mn. mn. Aperture denoted as this mirror is the part of this hollow sphere and this one is of this. The center of this sphere. The center of this sphere is called center of curvature of the mirror. Now, center of the sphere, whose part is the mirror, is called center of curvature. Center of curvature. Center of curvature C. Now, fourth part. This mirror is the part of this hollow sphere and it has a radius. Radius, and here radius. The radius of the sphere whose part is the mirror is called radius of curvature. Radius of curvature R. The distance between P and C, pole and center of curvature. Distance between P and C is called radius of curvature. These are four parts of pole, aperture, center of curvature radius of curvature. Again, this is concave mirror, convex mirror. P, central point of reflecting surface. Mn, aperture. C, center of curvature. R, radius of curvature. In this P, center point of reflecting surface pole. Mn, aperture, center of curvature, radius of curvature. A line passing through P and C is called principal axis. Principal axis. Principal axis. An imaginary line passing through P and C is called principal axis of the mirror and is represented as x dash. This x dash is called principal axis. Now a ray parallel to principal axis after reflection by the mirror passes through a point F on principal axis. This point F is called principal focus. Principal focus and is denoted by the letter capital F. In this mirror, principal axis, and next part, principal focus, a ray parallel to the principal axis. After reflection is reflected in this direction. When we see this ray from here, it appears to coming from this point. Now, a ray parallel to the principal axis after reflection by the convex mirror appears to come from a point F on principal axis. This point F is called principal focus of convex mirror. Principal focus. Now, the distance between P and F. Is called focal length. And is denoted by letter F, small letter. Now, distance between F and P, focal length. Distance between P and F. These are the parts of mirrors. First one is pole, aperture, center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal axis, principal focus, focal length.